Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font size in your Facebook app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if I open up my Facebook app, you can see my font size is quite small. It's scrolling down like so. So now in order to change this, you can't directly do this using the Facebook app itself, but there's a workaround in doing this. So what we first need to do is to head back to the main screen, and then you want to find your settings app on your phone, and then from your settings app look for display, click into display, and then scroll down again and then click into font size and style. And if you look at the bottom of the page here, you got a font size chart. You got smaller to larger, so you can just use that scroll bar left to right to make it smaller or larger. So I'm going to keep it at about that size. You can also change your font style as well and bold font, so if you click that will make it bold or not. So if we head back to Facebook, you'll see it automatically changes the font size to make it a little bit bigger and easier to read.